International Day of Education is being celebrated across the globe, and the theme of this year is Invest in People, Prioritize Education. Or education, if we take from our religious point of view, our religion start from Ikra, that is education, and our holy prophet advised us to seek education. Even you have to go far-flung areas. In those days, it was said even you have to go to China. Our great leader Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, "Without education is all darkness. Seek the light of education."
The purpose of celebrating this day is to sensitize all stakeholders to invest in people. It is actually education which must be prioritized to accelerate progress towards all sustainable development goals.
Being teacher educator, I wear multiple hats to guide, mentor, and counsel students according to their social, moral, and academic matters. My primary responsibility is to train and prepare pre-service teachers according to the classroom needs. Coaching pre-service teachers with progressive teaching techniques and advanced pedagogies, and to enable them to apply that knowledge into real practice. That is my main agenda of teaching philosophy.
University of Education was established in 2002 by upgradation of the historic College of Education, which was established in 1880, and another college for women education, which was established in 1930. And it is providing education across the province in deep rural areas like Jorabad, DG Khan, Vihadi, Multan, Faisalabad, and Attak, and other campuses in Lahore. Our quality enhancement cell is working very actively in not only in this university but all our affiliated colleges.
Promoting early career professional identity of pre-service teachers for choosing teaching as a career is my recent teaching passion. Promising identity development scenarios and favorable interventions are the significant drivers of the teacher education program for equipping teachers with broader teaching vision. Producing successful school administrators, academic leaders, and effective teachers is also the mission of University of Education.
Our faculty is very dynamic. Over 55% of the faculty is PhD, and the majority are qualified from abroad. And we have international linkages. Our students are coming from China, from Africa, from Iran, other countries. That give a diversity not only for our faculty but also a student exchange program. And within country, even all provinces, the students are here. That give a good blend for training of the students and for the diversity of the culture and learning from each other's culture.
We as teacher educators believe that if we are going to meaningfully engage with sustainability, education for sustainable development is the most appropriate educational tool to use it. That is why education for sustainable development is a compulsory part of all of our teacher education scheme of study, especially for teachers.
It has been my utmost priority to invest more efforts on my students by preparing them according to the contemporary needs of the society.
We are about to sign MOUs with different stakeholders like NAPA, National Academy for Prison Administration, to provide education to marginalized people even in prisons. Similarly, signing MOU with PAC to reach collaboratively with them to work on different assessment techniques would help us actually in achieving the goal of quality of education.
On this auspicious day of international education, I would like to advise to my students to recognize your real potential and maximize it through education, as education is only the weapon to change your future.
My best wishes to all our colleagues for their contribution to the cause of education and our support staff, our faculty, and we look forward to investing in our future and producing professionals, quality professionals and quality leadership in different disciplines of education. Thank you.